What's up? The next week the Chinese company FIMI will release a new drone called FIMI X8 Mini. There is already product page on Banggood, so we can see the photos, specifications, features, and even the price of the new drone. However, we don't have videos about FIMI X8 Mini yet, so I will show you the previous version, FIMI X8 SE, from time to time in this video. The pre-sale of the new FIMI X8 Mini will start on March 31st. So let's talk about features of the new drone and how it differs from the previous 2020 quadcopter FIMI X8 SE. The first and perhaps the main difference between FIMI X8 Mini and FIMI X8 SE is the size. The new drone is much more compact and lightweight than the previous model. Moreover, it has a folding design. You can easily carry it in one hand or a small bag. The weight of the new drone with battery is only 250 grams. By the way, as you can see, FIMI X8 Mini will have a standard battery and Pro battery. The standard battery has a capacity of 2400 mAh, while the Pro version has 2250 mAh battery capacity. To be honest, I don't know why Pro version has smaller battery, as the Pro battery is supposed to be bigger, isn't it? The new drone also has USB Type-C charging port. This is another upgrade compared to the previous drone, which had only micro USB port. FIMI X8 Mini is equipped with 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Talking about main features of the new FIMI drone, it has 8 km transmission range, 30 minutes of flight time, 4K HDR video, 5-level wind resistance, different smart tracking modes, one-tap shots, time-lapse, panorama, and night shooting. The new drone even has SAR mode, 3x digital zoom, GPS, lightweight and 8 km transmission, allows to use the drone for search and rescue tasks. The Chinese company also promises redesigned user interface of mobile app. It should be more intuitive to use. It's very interesting to check it out. By the way, the maximum speed of the drone is 16 meters per hour. There are also many different safety functions, such as return home mode, GPS real-time tracking, non-fly zone protection, wind warning, and others. So the new 2021 drone from FIMI looks very interesting. It is more compact and lightweight than FIMI X8 SE, and now it is competitor to DJI Mini 2. This is only the first video about main features of FIMI X8 Mini. The new drone will go on sale on March 31st. And we will try to buy it to do unboxing and full review. What do you think about FIMI X8 Mini? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.